Hello everyone, I'm here. We're gonna be doing a wig review. So today's wig is beginner friendly. We doing Hairvivi. And they do everything for you. They bleach the knot. They got the natural hairline. They got the parting for you. They got everything for you. That's just what we need because we all know I'm a little slow. As you can see, we have beautiful designery, beautiful packaging, beautiful paper. Since the wig is like all ready to go, you know, no customizations required. No wig cap is really like required. Another good thing about this wig is that it can be worn without glue, but I'm still gonna wear it like that just cause I'm like slow. In the box, we have a comb. You know how I like the comb. I like up every night, and I have my clip. I love these. This is the wig right here. This wig is 18 inches. It got the middle part. Even though I don't need to wear a wig cap, I'm going to because I just took my braids out and we ain't finna do that. Scrounged me up a cap. Oh my, look at me.
Boy, if you don't.
Y'all like ham sandwiches? Because I hate them. Oh my god. I was just thinking about that because last night I was hungry, so I went and made me a little sandwich. Ooh, and opened the pack. Ain't no turkey. Ain't no turkey left in the pack. Just ham. So I had to eat the ham. It was so nasty. Usually I just won't eat it at all and I'll just starve, but I couldn't do it. It's so nasty. So nasty. Like, it doesn't make sense. Like, why would they make it so disgusting? Like, the texture, oh my god, disgusting. The smell, that's how I feel when I open up the bag. Look how long this bag is. Go to market. So I had to eat it. It was disgusting. I didn't even finish it all. It's still in my room. Y'all want to see? Crackhead energy. Oh, it was nasty. It tastes just like how it looked. Yeah, it was disgraceful. So comment down below if you like turkey or ham, because I really like want to know. But then this is the thing. For Thanksgiving, I hate turkey. It'd be so dry. So dry. Extremely. No, baby, I can't do it. We don't do the dry. If you want to know more about the wig, everything in the description below. Use my discount code LWL for, you know, money off. Duh. So we have comb, 1, 2 comb, 1 in the back, 1 kind of like in the middle, and then we have an elastic band, and you can take it off or leave it on. This looks really good. Oh my god, look at this. Look at the hairline. Like the professionals, you know what I'm saying? They wasn't lying when they said it's pre-plucked, you know what I'm saying? This is let me cut the back lace. But so back to the turkey. Okay, I don't like turkey on Thanksgiving. It's dry, but I like turkey on my sandwich. But I love ham on Thanksgiving. Boy, that is good. Ah, my nana be throwing down. She puts Coca-Cola in it. If you try to trash how your ham isn't good on Thanksgiving, it's just because your folks don't know how to make it. And don't even get to hating on me because you just don't know. And don't even act like you know what it takes to run a business because you don't.
So don't even act like you know what I'm talking about.
That's my favorite Kim Kardashian thing she ever did in my whole life. Okay, I cut the backlit. Now let's put it on. Just watch and learn. Oh, I know what I was gonna say. This is what's irritating me. So the other day, it started snowing. Now I ain't talking about no Colorado blizzard. No, like kind of snow. I'm talking about this was the lightest snow I ever saw in my life, bro. So I was just like, okay, no big deal. I get on Snapchat with the locals. I hate Snapchat because I can't stand the locals, okay? So it started raining. I mean, snowing. It was basically raining though. Oh my god, this is so gorgeous. Wow, I feel like freaking a superstar right now. Just watch, you know, you see what I'm doing, the technique. Oh my god, my battery's dying. Okay, that was really Kayla Nicole and me right there. That was so Kayla Nicole and me. Nicole TV. Let me clip this and then we can change the battery. Yeah, so it started snowing, like hardly. I get on Snapchat. Like I didn't think like, oh my god, this is a huge deal. It's snowing, whatever, whatever. Get on Snapchat, every single story, every single local on my freaking Snapchat. This is why I hate getting on Snapchat. They're so annoying. Every single one of them boys, every single one of these people, every single one of these children, every single one of these organisms freaking posted the snow on their story like they ain't never seen snow before. Like, you know, whenever people have kids and they get those onesies and it's like
baby's first Thanksgiving, baby's first Halloween, baby's first trick or treat,
you know, stuff like that. That's how I felt. Like I wanted to give them all onesies that said
baby's first snow,
because they were acting like they never seen snow in their life. It wasn't even the fact that they was posting the snow that really had me triggered. It was the fact that they were like,
Why is it snowing in October?
First of all, I'm finna go off. First of all, let me change the battery first of all. Oh my god, my armpits are hot. This wig is so scrumptious. Oh my god, thank you, Hairvivi. This is good. We just blessing everybody day to day, Hairvivi. But what had me pressed was the fact that everyone was saying, why is it snowing in October? Look at the date, y'all.
None of my business. It's none of my business.
Tomorrow, and bro, in 2 days, it's about to be November. So I don't know why you're acting like you know what it's like to run up
business that you were passionate about, but you don't.
That's my favorite quote. I should have made that my senior quote. Oh my god. I should have made that my senior quote. Maybe I'll start a petition to have them let me change it, even though I already graduated. I hope I don't get like copyrighted though, because you know the Kardashians always want to trademark their stuff. Like Kylie, why are you trying to trademark Rise and Shine?
Rise and shine.
Rise and Shine? Rise and Shine is only funny because we made it funny on Twitter. If no one had a reaction, it wouldn't even be funny, Kylie. I hope it doesn't go through. Oh my god, I'm just stupid because I can't clip this. This is my like 5th try. Also, LeBron James. I love my man Bron, okay? His son is fine. That has nothing to do with what I'm saying, but LeBron James tried to trademark Taco Tuesday.
Taco Tuesday!
Make it make sense, LeBron. It didn't get approved. I was a little upset it didn't get approved, but like I understand why. But if Megan Thee Stallion's Hot Girl Summer or like Hot Girl Anything doesn't get approved, because I know that she like put it in to be like trademarked as hers, I will kill someone. Kill someone. Oh my god, yes. Oh my god, we got the inches. Oh, this is so good. This is the best wig I've ever had. No cap. That's the only slang word I just don't understand, is no cap. Anyway, so I was irritated because the locals were, oh my god, yeah, was sitting there like, why is it snowing in October? And I was just irritated. Let's cut the lace while I go walk. Gotta be really careful though, so you know, so you don't mess up the hairline. I swear to y'all, last weekend I went to the pumpkin patch. It was 64 degrees and I wore a skirt. This isn't California, this isn't Florida, this isn't none of that. We live in Iowa, and you sitting here talking about why is it snowing in October. You should be confused as to why is it 64 degrees on a Friday and like Felena's at the pumpkin patch wearing a skirt. That's what you should be concerned about. Freaking global warming, climate change. Y'all please don't vote for Donald Trump, please. So we're just gonna slowly cut the lace. Okay, I'm gonna cut the lace off camera because I need a mirror. Come get in the video, Rainbow. Why are you trying to hide? You was acting all like, okay, I'm gonna cut the lace off camera because I'm too distracted. I already cut this much for y'all. Okay, I'm back and I'm ready to talk. You have to cut really close. Make sure you follow the hairline so it can look as real as possible, and because we don't want to look hurt. Okay, now we can take these out and get to gluing it on. Actually, I really don't know if I want to glue it because you don't have to, but like, I don't know. I don't know what I want to do. I know some people, they don't glue it. They just put it on their head and then they like lay their edges. But like, I don't know. Y'all know I'm professional, but I just don't like to show off. So some people just pull it up like this and just straighten it, do what they want to do with it. We're not gonna glue this because it's not required. We are gonna straighten it though because we don't do that. I'm actually not even good at gluing the wig anyway, so it's good that I don't have to because I'm slow anyways. This is my straightener, this big old boy. My mom has had this straightener as long as I could remember, so there's really no telling when she got this, but I really like it because it's just strong, it's big, get the job done. I hope it heats up because I feel like one time it didn't heat up and I look stupid. We can put earrings in while we wait. Oh my god, it's not heating up. Let me try to find it. This isn't heating up, so I have this. Oh my god, this looks broken. This one is literally broken. You see how this is like this and this is like this? I think I'm still gonna use it though. I have that one and then I have this one from when I was like 12. I literally was 12. I've never used this before in my life. It says wet to straight. Let's try it. Power on. What does 15 mean? Steaming? Oh my god. This says wet to straight and then it says steaming. Steaming what? Oh wow, this is hot, boy. What you gonna need? Olive oil, oil sheen. Just spray a little. Oh child, spray a little on your hand. Get a good proportion. You don't want to use a lot of this because it's gonna be stiff. You're gonna look stiff. Oh yeah, she ready. Where's the comb at? Ow! Oh my god. No, I'm taking this off. I just combed my ears. This is why I don't try to be cute, because do you just see how I just almost broke my freaking ear off? Guys, I really want to go to Rolling Loud Miami in May. I don't know why, because when I went to Summer Smash in Chicago in June, I almost died. I didn't have that good of a time, but I don't know, like there's just something about my spirit. Like God is doing something to me, y'all, because this is good looking. I look great. I look good. Oh yeah. This looks really good. Oh my god. Come on. 10-10. Everybody 10-10. Rainbow, what you want now? Come on, Rainbow, show everybody what you doing. Rainbow, come on. Rainbow, what are you doing, man? So tell everyone how you got this hair right here.
It's me.
It's my hair because I took down my braids. Well, you look good, girl. Show everybody. Okay, now go back in there. Don't think you gonna get exempt from being in the nap time. Bye. That's my sister. To everyone who doesn't know, but the OGs know. If you watched the last video, you know. For real, like I've really been having a rebirth. Like God is so good. Oh my god. Yes, yes. Even though this is broken, this is good. Thank you, mama. I don't even know when she got this. I've never seen anyone in my house ever use this. I really don't know where it came from, but it's working. It's broken, but it's getting what it needs to do. Getting the job right now. Yeah, so back to what I was saying. I really want to go to Rolling Loud Miami. I'm kind of surprised that I went to a little bit because I had such like a traumatizing time a little bit at Summer Smash because I almost died in the mosh pit. It wasn't even a freaking mosh pit. Here's a story time for everyone who didn't watch my Summer Smash vlog. It's a music festival if you don't know what Summer Smash is. A music festival in Chicago, a rap music festival. So this was day one, you know. I wasn't trying to like be all into it that much because the people performing, I didn't like them. What ended up happening, someone had just got done performing and I was just standing there in the middle of the crowd. Like I was kind of like in the center. Polo G, which I do like Polo G, but I wasn't like desperate to go see him, you know what I'm saying? So Polo G, it was his time to perform and everyone lost their mind. All these boys, let me say this, boys in general, I hate them. I can't stand them. They're rude. They're not good people. They're just not a good species. All the boys at music festivals, it doesn't matter where you go to, they wear no shirt or they wear a freaking basketball jersey. It's annoying because that's what every single one of them wears. It's weird if you see a boy wearing a normal shirt because they don't do that at Music Festival. They wear a basketball jersey or no shirt. There's no in between. Literally, they touch you like this and your whole arm is wet because they're so sweaty. I'm not joking. Oh my god, thank you Hairvivi, because this is awesome. This is the best wig I ever got in my whole life. So what ended up happening, it was Polo G's turn to get on the stage and get to perform. Everyone's thinking it's Polo G's turn to come on, right? So I'm in the middle and everyone starts to go like freaking crazy. Everyone starts pushing to get up front. It's the boys. Only the boys do it. Let me finish the story and then I'll do this because I can't do it on camera. The boys start pushing everyone up. They're trying to like push their way through, and when you do that, you end up pushing people up. They pushed me up from the middle all the way to the front gate, and I lost all the people I came with. I came with a huge group. There was probably like 20 of us. I lost everyone. We all got separated. They pushed me up so far, I was at the front gate. The gate was right here on me. They literally did drag me. I couldn't even do anything. There were so many of them. They were all sweaty. It smelled so bad. At first, I was like, oh yeah, I'm at the front. I love Polo G, you know. I was like, yeah, you know, I'll just stay at the front. And then I realized, first of all, I don't have any of my friends here, and I was surrounded by all male specimens, and so I like wouldn't have had a good time. And because I knew that they would have tried to do a mosh pit, which is kind of hard to do in the front. Usually mosh pits are in the middle, but these boys looked like they was reaching for the stars, y'all. They literally just dragged me up there. I didn't really want to be up there. And then I think I stood there for like 5 minutes and people were still pushing, and they pushed me against the gate and I couldn't breathe. I couldn't breathe. Lord God, I could not breathe. Jesus, please. And also I forgot, when they were pushing me up, people were just squeezing me like I was a freaking pancake, and I couldn't breathe. I literally could not breathe. And then they was still pushing. So I was like, I'm leaving. So I ended up having to leave. And then to make matters worse, Polo G wasn't even there. He was supposed to be there. He didn't even show up. So I almost died because male species tried to kill me to see Polo G, and he wasn't even there. Yes, you are hearing me correctly. But for some odd reason, I want to go to Rolling Loud, but I don't have any friends. I don't have any friends. I don't know how that's gonna work. I feel like I would like Rolling Loud better if I went with people that I like, even though I don't have any friends. But that's also a hard thing because I don't like anyone. But I really want to go, and I know the lineup is gonna be so good. Okay, I'm back. I have eyelashes and eyebrows on. Anyway, so that's in the video. Make sure you use my discount code. Make sure you please purchase you a wig, honey, because it is good. Real nice. It is good. This is an awesome wig. This isn't even glued to my freaking head. I don't know why I didn't glue this, because I should know better, because I've gotten my wig snatched before. Go watch that video. Yay. The anniversary of me getting my wig snatched was like, I think it was Friday. It might have been Saturday. The anniversary. So go watch the video in honor of it. You know the drill. Like, subscribe, do what it does. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter. Follow my Depop. I just cleaned out my closet, and I'm still cleaning out my closet. So go purchase something off of my Depop so you can have Life Elena's clothes. Also buy my merch. It's on my Depop as well. So you could just do it all. You know what I'm saying? That's all I have to say. I really don't want to end it because I'm just having a good time, you know, feeling myself. We got the ring light, you know, doing it big. Please get a wig. Please use my coupon code. Y'all see me at my worst. Y'all see me at my best, and this is probably the best I done ever looked. I don't want to take this off. Oh my god, I love this wig. I'm never getting rid of this. Okay, I have to go. See you later. Love you. Live your life. Do it right. Peace with y'all. Bye.
Why you gotta fight with me at Cheesecake? You know I love to go there. Say I'm acting light skinned, I can't take you nowhere.